Well, Karen Reed's defense team tells me they only have 3 witnesses left to call. They expect to wrap that up on Monday, with closing arguments likely on Tuesday. After that, it will go to the jury. After 28 days of testimony, prosecutors for the state resting their case in the Karen Reed murder trial after finishing with their last witness, the medical examiner.
Thank you, Your Honor. Call off the rest.
A Canton DPW plow driver then sworn in as a first witness for Reed's defense. The driver testifying that he made multiple passes by the home on Fairview Road throughout those early morning hours and did not see O'Keefe's body.
When you made that first pass by that residence at 2:45 in the morning, sir, with your headlights on, what, if anything, did you see on the front lawn in the area of the flagpole?
I saw nothing.
The prosecution questioning his eyesight after he admitted to hitting a basketball hoop.
So you hit it because you didn't see it, correct?
No, I was attempting to avoid the net by going around it.
Next up, a retired emergency room forensic pathologist testifying that O'Keefe's arm wounds were caused by an animal attack, likely a large dog.
There's also little punctate, incomplete puncture marks here, little round marks right there that were inflicted by the actual point of the tooth.
The defense has pointed to the Alberts, who owned the home on Fairview, having a German Shepherd that was later rehomed.
Based on everything that we've discussed today, Doctor, is it your opinion, based on a reasonable degree of medical certainty, that these injuries were from an animal attack, possibly a large dog?
Yes.
In her cross, the doctor pressed on how well she knew the case.
Were you being asked as an ER doctor to come to a quick conclusion in this case?
No.
But you did anyway.
It's how I'm trained.
The president of United States Forensics, a digital investigation firm, testifying next about O'Keefe's cell phone and health data, showing him taking steps and ascending 3 flights of stairs. Later, he testified Jennifer McCabe's Google search, "Haas Long to Die in the Cold," was first made at 2:27 a.m. The prosecution has said it was made after 6 a.m. later that morning.
That would have happened at or before January 29, 2022 at 2:27:40 a.m. in the morning.
He was also asked about McCabe's deleted calls.
What percentage of calls were deleted on Jen McCabe's phone within that time period?
Yeah, so we found no live data, so 100% of them would have been deleted.
How are you feeling right now leaving court? Strong. Outside of court, Reed's defense saying that testimony was more powerful than what the Commonwealth presented.
They can call 3 witnesses, they can call 30 witnesses. They're not going to measure up against Rick Green.
Again, we could see closing arguments happen on Tuesday. After that, the jury will have to answer the question, did the Commonwealth prove second-degree murder?
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.